Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your blog with Medium, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively manage your blog on Medium, start by creating an account. Visit medium.com and click on the sign up button. You can register using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Once your account is set up, familiarize yourself with the platform's interface. Click on your profile icon to access your dashboard. From your dashboard, you can find your stories, stats, and collections. To create a new post, click on Write a Story in the top right corner. This will open a new page where you can begin drafting your article. Use the title field to add a compelling headline for your post. Next, you can write your content in the main text area. Medium supports various formatting options like bold, italics, and headings. Highlight the text you wish to format and select your preferred option from the toolbar. You can also insert images by clicking on the plus icon and selecting Image from the menu. Be sure to add relevant tags at the end of your post for better discoverability. Tags help categorize your story, making it easier for readers to find your content. Once you're satisfied with your article, click Publish in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to add tags again if you haven't already. After entering your tags, confirm your publication by clicking Publish Now. To manage your existing posts, return to your dashboard. Here, you can edit, delete, or republish older stories as needed. Make use of the Stats feature to track the performance of your posts. This includes views, reads, and engagement metrics. Consider engaging with your audience by responding to comments on your articles. Building a community around your blog can increase its visibility. To promote your blog further, share your Medium posts on social media platforms. Utilizing social media will help drive traffic back to your Medium account. As you continue blogging, analyze which topics resonate most with your audience. Focus on creating more content around those popular themes. Regularly updating your blog will keep your readers engaged and returning for more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.